Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download your Instagram data. So if you want to back up and archive your Instagram information, in today's tutorial, I had you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is sign into Instagram and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to launch your profile page. Then proceed to select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. Select Accounts Center. Underneath Account Settings, select your information and permissions, and then select the Download Your Information item up at the top to go about just downloading any information that's saved on your Instagram account. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.